Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today, we're diving deep into one of Audi's flagship SUVs, the Audi Q8. This is where luxury, performance, and tech meet bold design, and we're going to explore every aspect of this vehicle to see if it lives up to the hype. Whether you're considering it as your next ride or just curious about what this premium SUV has to offer, this review will cover everything you need to know. Let's start with first impressions. The Audi Q8 makes a serious statement on the road. It's big, it's bold, and it's unmistakably Audi. You get that signature single-frame grille up front, wide and aggressive, with a honeycomb mesh design that gives it a sporty yet refined presence. The Matrix LED headlights are sleek and sharp, and they're not just for show, they're highly functional, offering adaptive lighting that reacts to traffic and weather conditions. From the side, the coupe-like roofline sets it apart from other SUVs. It gives the Q8 a sportier silhouette while maintaining that muscular SUV stance. The bold shoulder lines and flared wheel arches make it clear that this is a performance-oriented luxury SUV. It sits on 20 to 22-inch wheels depending on your trim, and the proportions are perfectly balanced to give it an athletic yet elegant posture. Move to the rear, and you'll see a continuous light strip that spans the width of the tailgate, a modern design signature for Audi. The taillights use OLED technology, and when they light up at night, the effect is stunning. You also get a sculpted rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets that remind you this is more than just a pretty face. The entire rear end is designed to be as functional as it is stylish, with an automatic tailgate and plenty of cargo space for your gear. Now let's step inside, because the interior of the Audi Q8 is where the magic really happens. Audi is known for its high-quality interiors, and the Q8 is no exception. The cabin feels like a tech-forward lounge with premium materials everywhere you look. Soft touch leather, real wood or brushed aluminum trim depending on the package, and ambient lighting throughout that lets you set the mood just how you like it. The centerpiece of the interior is Audi's dual touchscreen MMI system. You get a 10.1-inch display for infotainment and an 8.6-inch screen below it for climate control and other vehicle settings. The interface is sleek and intuitive, and while some people miss physical buttons, Audi's haptic feedback makes it surprisingly user-friendly. Everything from navigation to media to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is just a tap away. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find the Audi Virtual Cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show navigation, performance data, media, and more. It's crystal clear, responsive, and one of the best digital displays in the business. The steering wheel itself is flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped, and packed with controls so you can manage everything without taking your hands off the wheel. As for seating, the front seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive. You get power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. Rear seat passengers won't feel left out either. There's ample legroom and headroom, and the seats recline slightly for added comfort. You can easily fit 3 adults in the back, and the rear climate control options and USB-C ports ensure everyone stays comfortable and connected. The Q8 also offers a panoramic sunroof that spans almost the entire roof, adding an airy, open feel to the cabin. Combined with excellent sound insulation and the optional Bang & Olufsen 3D premium audio system, it creates a serene, immersive driving experience that's hard to beat. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Audi Q8 is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with mild hybrid technology. It produces 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. This setup allows the Q8 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.6 seconds, which is quick for a luxury SUV of this size. The mild hybrid system uses a 48-volt battery to support smoother start-stop functionality and provide a small boost during acceleration. It doesn't make the Q8 an electric vehicle, but it does improve efficiency and adds to the seamlessness of the drive. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard, offering excellent grip and stability in all conditions. Whether you're tackling winding roads or driving through rain or snow, the Q8 feels planted and confident. The adaptive air suspension, available on higher trims, allows you to adjust ride height and firmness. This means you can cruise in comfort or stiffen things up for a more dynamic drive at the push of a button. Handling is surprisingly sharp for an SUV of this size. The steering is precise, and with the optional 4-wheel steering, the Q8 becomes even more agile at low speeds and more stable at high speeds. You'd almost forget you're driving a vehicle that weighs over 5,000 pounds. Fuel economy is respectable for its class, with an EPA rating of around 18 mpg in the city and 23 on the highway. Not groundbreaking, but fair considering the size, performance, and luxury features packed into this vehicle. For those who want even more performance, Audi also offers the SQ8 and the RSQ8. The SQ8 upgrades to a twin-turbo V8 producing 500 horsepower, while the RSQ8 cranks it up to 591 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. That's supercar territory in an SUV body. But for most drivers, the standard Q8's power and refinement will be more than enough. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the Audi Q8 is loaded. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and front and rear parking sensors. Available upgrades include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, a surround view camera system, and Audi's traffic jam assist, which takes over in slow-moving traffic to ease the burden on the driver. Now let's talk pricing. The Audi Q8 starts around $74,000 for the base premium trim. Step up to the Premium Plus, and you're looking at closer to $79,000, while the top-tier Prestige trim starts at about $83,000. Add in options like the luxury package, Bang & Olufsen sound system, upgraded wheels, and driver assistance packages, and it's easy to cross the $90,000 mark. Is it worth it? For those looking for a luxury SUV that offers performance, cutting-edge tech, and a standout design, the answer is yes. The Q8 gives you the presence and practicality of a large SUV with the soul of a performance car and the cabin quality of a flagship luxury sedan. You're paying a premium, but you're getting a vehicle that feels truly premium in return. In a crowded segment filled with big names like the BMW X6, Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, and Porsche Cayenne, the Audi Q8 manages to carve out its own niche. It doesn't try too hard to be sporty or overly flashy. Instead, it blends style, comfort, and capability in a way that feels sophisticated and modern. It's not just another luxury SUV, it's an Audi flagship that actually delivers on the promise. If you're someone who values thoughtful design, intuitive tech, and a balanced driving experience, the Q8 should definitely be on your shortlist. It turns heads, pampers its occupants, and performs when you want it to. It's the kind of vehicle that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it makes you enjoy every mile of the journey in between. Thanks for watching Car Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next in-depth car review. Drop a comment below and let us know, what do you think about the Audi Q8? Would you choose it over the competition, or is there another SUV that has your attention right now? Let's talk in the comments. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep vibing.